Have you ever wondered how your favorite tomato ketchup is made? Well, let me take you on a journey that starts in a field under the warm sun. That's right, the story of tomato ketchup begins with, you guessed it, tomatoes. But not just any tomatoes. For the perfect ketchup, you need the ripest, juiciest, and most flavorful tomatoes. Farmers across the globe pour their heart and soul into nurturing these red jewels. The process of harvesting is a delicate one, ensuring only the finest tomatoes make the cut. Once harvested, these tomatoes are carefully inspected. Only the best of the best are selected for the next step. It's a meticulous process, but it's all worth it to ensure that the ketchup you love begins with the best ingredients nature has to offer. So the journey of ketchup begins in the fields with the ripest and juiciest tomatoes, and this, my friends, is just the beginning. Now that we have the perfect tomatoes, it's time to transform them into the ketchup we all know and love. Our journey begins with a thorough washing. Each tomato is carefully cleaned to ensure it's free from any dirt or impurities. This step is crucial as cleanliness is a top priority when it comes to food production. Once our tomatoes are squeaky clean, they are led to their next destination, the crusher. Here they are crushed into a pulp, their juicy goodness extracted, ready to be transformed into a thick paste. The crushing process not only helps in extracting the juice, but also breaks down the tomato's cell walls, releasing the natural pectin. This pectin will later play a vital role in giving our ketchup its characteristic thick and glossy texture. Now it's time to bring on the heat. The crushed tomatoes are cooked slowly and gently, allowing the water to evaporate and the pulp to thicken. This cooking process also helps to intensify the tomato's flavor, making our ketchup savory and delicious. But what's ketchup without its tangy kick? This is where our trusted companions, vinegar and sugar, come into play. Vinegar adds that sharp tanginess, while sugar brings a subtle sweetness, striking a perfect balance. And then we have the secret blend of spices and seasonings. This blend is what sets each brand of ketchup apart. While we can't reveal the exact ingredients, we can tell you that it typically includes spices like onion and garlic powder, and sometimes even a touch of clove or cinnamon. All these ingredients are then cooked together, the flavors melding and mingling, creating that distinct ketchup taste we all adore. The mixture is stirred continuously to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pot and to ensure an even consistency. And there you have it. After a bit of cooking and stirring, the tomatoes have now transformed into a thick and tangy ketchup base. The transformation process is indeed a fascinating one, a testament to how simple ingredients can come together to create something so universally loved. We're almost there, but there are still a few steps to go before it's ready to be squeezed onto your fries. After the mixture has been simmered and strained, the next key step is cooling. The ketchup is cooled down to a specific temperature that ensures it keeps its rich velvety texture and tangy taste. Once the ketchup has cooled, it's time for it to find its new home. A steady stream of ketchup is poured into clean, sterilized bottles, ready to be sealed. Each bottle is then sealed tight, ensuring that the ketchup stays fresh and ready for you to enjoy. Next, the bottles are labeled, giving them their iconic look. Each bottle proudly carries the brand, the ingredients, and the nutrition facts. From there, they are packed into boxes, ready for their journey to stores around the world. And just like that, the humble tomato is now a bottle of your favorite ketchup, ready for your enjoyment. So there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at how your favorite tomato ketchup is made. Let's take a quick stroll down memory lane, shall we? Our journey started with the careful selection of ripe, juicy tomatoes. These tomatoes are not just any tomatoes. They are chosen for their rich flavor and vibrant color. Next, we walked through the cooking process, where the tomatoes are transformed into a smooth, delectable paste. This is where the magic happens, as the flavor of the tomatoes is intensified and the texture becomes just right. Then we ventured into the stage where a medley of ingredients is added, including vinegar, sugar, salt, and secret spices that make each brand of ketchup unique. And finally, the bottling stage, where the ketchup is sealed and ready to be shipped across the globe. Next time you squeeze that ketchup bottle, remember the journey it took to get to your table. Until next time, keep exploring the world of food.